Superman.
He's an inspiration to us all. That's why everyone ditched on your show.
So then how come you came?
Well, because I said I would.
Aww.
Butters!
I just flew into South Park.
Is he doing comedy?
Used to be I didn't need an airplane.
Oh, it's like a cripple off.
I put together a comedy show and I was crippled from birth.
Oh my gosh! That gives you more cripple clout, I guess.
Can you believe this asswipe, Timmy?
Dimmer!
Why is a celebrity who became crippled more important than us that were born that way very much?
Oh my gosh. There's like politics in the cripple world. I keep saying I'm sorry!
I mean, that's the title of the episode.
I forgot they're children. Like, it doesn't seem like that sometimes.
Hey, wait a minute. You guys can't just start a club and tell me I can't be in it.
Sorry, able-bodied, you can't join. Hey, Timmy, how many able-bodied people does it take to screw in a light bulb? One. You know what you call an able-bodied guy on the doorstep? Whatever his name is.
What? Why wasn't this your set?
Just stay out of it. But they said
Why does Cartman have to be involved?
Cartman, trust me, we don't want any part in this one.
You don't want no part of this shit.
Hello, Mr. McGillicuddy. Mr. McGillicuddy.
Why he's like singing?
Boys, I don't think you want to wear these shirts.
Why not?
There already is a group that calls themselves the Crips, and I don't think they'd like it too much.
Already a Crips?
Well, sure, they're all over Five Points area in Denver.
Hey, are they crippled from birth or are they crippled wannabes like
Oh
Christopher
my
Reeve?
gosh. Oh, I already see where this is going.
All this time, it was a group for truly crippled people like ourselves, and we didn't know it.
Oh my gosh, they're gonna join the Crips!
See, the stem cells from a fetus like this one can form into
Oh my
whatever cells of
gosh!
the body are damaged. They are the most powerful thing on the planet.
Oh my gosh!
I'm grossed out.
And now you can see, my arms have better movement.
Oh my gosh, goodness!
Well, hello, everyone.
They just waltzed right on in. Well, he rolled.
And like
like-
stumbled.
Timmy and I are both true Crips, born and raised. We're the only Crips in South Park where we live, and we would love to join your fantastic Denver chapter. Do you think it's better to be born a Crip or to become a Crip later by accident?
The only real Crips is born Crips, dawg.
Watch them just like take him in.
I agree. I mean, it's like, come on. Why do these people who become Crips later in life think they're such great potatoes? Timmy!
Does he just say his name? It's like a Pokemon.
Want a thug with the 5-point Crips? Bitches, all you gotta do is pop some punk-ass bloods.
Oh,
no.
blood in, blood out.
Love to pop some punk-ass bloods. We're terrific at it.
So you saying you down?
Down like a clown, Charlie. Down like a clown, Charlie. Down like a clown, Charlie.
Oh my gosh.
Down like a clown, Charlie Brown.
He's still trying.
Say, Timmy, did you notice that all the crippled people in that club are Negroes? That's an amazing coincidence. I mean, there's not one crippled colored person in South Park.
You can't.
Oh my
But
god.
hello, officers. We're going to pop some punk-ass bloods.
What do you even say to that?
Look, Timmy,
my-
there's a convenience store.
Oh
Down the street,
my
fellas met by pop
God.
some punk-ass bloods. They want us to get them some soda pop and treats.
Oh, soda pop and treats. They're too wholesome.
To buy them ginger ale and marshmallows. Then they'll let us in the club for sure.
That's such a random assortment of treats. Ginger ale and marshmallows. Oh my god, why are you going so fast?
Are they gonna get the credit? Are they gonna get the credit for this?
Let me tell you about my Lil G's roller and 4 legs here. They just smoked 13 bloods in 1 night. 1 night? Yeah.
They totally did get the credit.
And they got us marshmallows and ginger ale.
The snacks.
Turn up the beat so we can celebrate our new G's 5-point style. Alright.
Wow, these guys really are crippled.
Oh my gosh. I feel like I like laughed the entire time.
Thanks for the
Oh
ride
my
home.
goodness.
We sure had a terrific time.
Alright, keep it real, little dog.
You dogs keep it real, too.
Oh my gosh, Jimmy! Put those hands down!
To most people, this is just an ordinary...
Oh my god,
But
I
to
hate
people
that.
like me, it's hope.
Oh my gosh.
Ah! Oh my gosh, he's walking. Ah! Why did God.
Stay clear, guys. Stay clear.
Yep, I'm not saying anything.
I just realized this was City Woke in the Panderverse. City Walk. Our weird out of order experience.
Oh, okay. Eye-opening register.
Tamak! What's that? Oh, and 1 medium lemonade, please. Tamak.
Here $112. It's all I have. Take.
Huh?
You take $112.
They were just like ordering.
Trouble. Just take it and leave.
Well, gee, that's really nice of you, Mr. Chinese person. Look, Tintin, we got a cash prize.
Oh my gosh, they just thought they were getting money.
Here, 2 order compound chicken and small iced tea.
Actually, it was a regular lemonade.
He asked for lemonade.
I sorry. I know
Oh
I know
my
trouble.
God.
Here, lemonade. Now go, just go.
Gee, thanks a lot.
Oh my gosh. I don't know. I feel like whoever voiced him voiced Kim Jong-il in Team America.
Have a seat, Jim. Your mother and I need to talk to you.
Oh, you're gonna have to talk.
About your gang violence. We can't sit. Could you help him? Like, what are y'all doing drinking coffee? No wonder he joined a gang. He has to do everything by himself.
We're worried that you might be involved in a gang.
A what? Oh, you mean the fellas? Well, sure. But I can't talk about the club on account of its super secret, dog.
Then it's true! Oh, Ryan, it's true!
Why you been tripping, Mom? I mean, come on. I'm finally a part of something very much.
Jimmy, those people you're hanging out with are no good.
Yo, don't be dissing my niggas, dog.
And what about your stand-up comedy, Jim, huh? Are you just giving up on that, too?
My gang, which I can't talk about because it's super secret, is the most important thing to me now. And if you two don't like it, you can just pass the blunt to the nigga on your left.
Oh my
Where's that delivery of new fetuses?
Oh my
Feeling
god.
weak again. Here's the new shipment, sir.
Oh my gosh! I'm so disgusted every time this happens.
Well, Gene Hackman, my old nemesis from the movies. How are you?
I think he played Lex Luthor in the originals.
I've never seen the originals.
Using stem cells is like playing God. You should leave nature alone and go back to the way I was? Is that what you're saying, Hackman? I'm saying that sometimes you need to just live with the cards you're dealt, Christopher. Stop calling me Christopher! That name no longer has meaning to me.
You're becoming Lex Luthor.
The old Christopher Reeve is dead. From now on, I am Chris.
Just Chris.
Battles of...
Is he doing a puzzle?
6...
Payback time, motherfucker!
Oh shit, the bloods!
Oh my gosh!
Holy guacamole! Freaking frijoles!
Is he freaking frijoles?
Crips and Bloods hate each other, and if you stay in that gang, you're gonna end up dead, too.
But why do they hate each other?
Look, kid, I used to be a Crip myself, but I'm not anymore.
What? Whoa.
Oh, so you use stem cells like Christopher Reeve?
Oh my gosh.
We should have never started a gang for people crippled from birth. Now they're at war with the people who were crippled in an accident.
That's what they think!
They don't understand the dynamics.
If you won't stop using stem cells, then we'll stop you. Stop me! Stop me!
He's the super villain. You about to throw a card at you?
You won't stop me, Hackman!
Oh my gosh. They showed
Come on
up.
in, everybody. Lots of surprises and
Oh, they're in disguise.
Kids, have a good time.
Oh, we will.
It's gonna be like a massacre in there.
So they're actually getting locked in.
Damn it! But nobody can leave until 7 a.m. So if you want to have a good time, you're all just gonna have to learn to get love.
Oh my gosh.
There's pizza.
But the resilient actor fought back, struggled against all odds, and has now built his very own Legion of Doom. Says his new organization will be committed to world domination and evil.
Oh my
What an inspirational story, Tom.
Fucking Lex Luthor.
Chosen each member of this elite group of supervillains for their outstanding treachery.
Dr. Doom! Oh my
All things good. And I've assembled this group for one
Dr.
purpose.
Octopus!
To once and
There's so many people!
get rid of Hackman!
Oh my gosh.
How about domination of the world?
Yeah, or
What is the mouth guy?
Our job is to see to it that Hackman is put out of commission.
Oh
my
boy,
God.
General Disray. Maybe we just ought to stay out of this one.
Butters!
Oh, that's Butters.
Don't you see? It doesn't matter if we were crippled from birth or crippled in an accident. We're
Oh
all
my
brothers.
gosh.
We have the whole Rex Center to ourselves. Can't we all just try having some fun together?
You talking crazy, dog.
Why